friends, I am Aarti Gupta and you are watching CraftLas YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell button for notification. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a tree with watercolor. I am going to give you a step-by-step instructions. So follow the instructions. First of all, you have to use yellow ochre color to make the trunk of the tree. Don't forget to use water as required. Now I will do the coat of dark brown color on it, just to give it a darker shade. Now some more dark color to cover the yellow ochre. This will give the natural look to the trunk of the tree. It's very easy to make tree with the watercolors. Now I am going to make leaves of the tree. For this I am using green color but in a very light shade. You have to use a good amount of water to spread the color evenly. As you can see how I am spreading water and color. Step by step you have to make the branches and leaves of the tree, and use good amount of water. Start with the light colors and then use dark colors. In this way you have control on the brush and colors. It's very easy to use watercolors, and this is my first tutorial of watercolor. And if you like this video, then please comment me so that I can make more and more tutorials on watercolors. Now the light shade is finished. I am going to use the darker one. Dark color is used to show the depth and the darkness. This is a dark green color, darker shade of green, and I am going to apply this color on the center portion and the ends of the leaves. As you can see, I am applying a very small amount of dark green color, but don't forget to use water wherever it is required. Just show the details very lightly. In the next videos also I will show you how to make landscapes and trees of different kinds. So please do tell me in the comment box what do you want to see in the next video. In the below portion I am using the more dark colors. Now I will give a very light shade of yellow color where the sunlight is there. We have to show the sunlight which falls on the tree, and it's mostly on the upper portions. Just a small amount of lemon yellow or medium yellow. Now we have to show the shadow of leaves on the tree. This is how we will show this. I am using black and just apply as I am doing this video. Please share it with your friends on WhatsApp and Facebook.